Tell everyone about your YouTube channel.
We're on the move again.
This is now an iPhone 6 vlog, so I apologize for the quality.
We just need to check out.
Yeah.
But first, we had to pop into the milk bar one more time. I highly recommend this place. Our time in Inverness may have been short, but I think it may have been my favorite so far on this trip. Visiting Loch Ness, driving on the wrong side of the road, these are things I will never forget.
Unemployment sitting at the moment at 3.9%. It's never been so low since 1975 in this country.
We are flying EasyJet, so it should be an easy jet flight. They're much nicer at these airports than they are in the States. Holy cannoli. That was weird. They were like smiling and talking to us.
This airport is tiny, which is a good thing, as airport security was a breeze.
Don't mind me just awkwardly filming in the bathroom looking at these mini toothbrushes. What is this? I kind of want to buy one. There they are, they come in like a little gumball thing.
EasyJet is a low-cost European carrier. For my peeps in the States, think like Frontier Airlines or Spirit. I've never flown them before, but have heard bad things, as you typically do with budget carriers. This flight was a quick one, just an hour long, and for just 27 pounds a ticket, I really have no complaints about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Luton, where the local time is just approaching 1:10. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties.
All right, we've acquired our bags. Time to take the train into town. Bring it around town, Mr. Krabs. Bring it around.
Yeah.
I like trains. I have since I was a kid. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but I even remember my dad taking me on a train ride when I was really young because I always wanted to. I even had train curtains in my room. So we're looking for a place to eat. Everything's going good until suddenly,
Ladies and gentlemen, my Gorilla Pod just broke. I'm done. I'm not buying another one. Oh, I probably will, but you know, I don't want to.
Thank goodness I felt my camera literally dangling by a thread on my Gorilla Pod, or this could have ended real bad. Oh, and if you're wondering, we had pret-a-manger for lunch, which from my understanding is actually pronounced pret-a-manger.
We're staying at the Staybridge Suites. Here we go, room tour.
Upon entering the room, you're greeted to this beautiful kitchen area. You've got some fancy art decor. As always, you get one Holly to boot. Desk, workspace, TV area is very nice. Just a sweeping glance of what this looks like. Here's the bed area. Holly's ready to go to sleep. And then here's the bathroom. No bidet. How am I gonna clean my buttocks? And then your shower. Alright, so in this kitchen, not only do you get a sink, not only do you get some burners, you also get a dishwasher. Obviously you get like full silverware and that sort of thing. But you also get this big refrigerator. Holy cannoli, guys. Wow. Could I live in an apartment this size?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it was nice like this. If it was exactly this, my lady. Could you?
Well, yeah, because it does have like a kitchen area and like I see how it works. I just couldn't with like not bare.
A few hours later,
we were headed out to find trouble.
Look at this elevator, wow. I'm blue and I ba-dee da ba-die and I ba-dee da ba-die and I ba-dee da ba-die. Big Ben, which is currently under construction, as I've said, is not going to be completed till 2021. Holy cannoli! After spending some time walking around searching, we found a place to eat and it was fantastic. Probably one of my favorite meals.
Back to the room we go. We're calling it a night here, folks.
This video was made possible by my patrons. Become a patron today by using the link in the description. Here we go, ready? All right, Holly, it's a race.
I hope I win.
Oh my God.
You gotta work those hips, girl. Work those hips and use those arms. You know what I'm saying? Woo, 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 woo.